Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I'm here to share a swap that I did over at Happy Mail with Tina and family. We think in the month of May we were making flip books for our partners, and we were teamed up. My partner was Michele, Crafty Mama Michele, here on YouTube, and I'll have her link down below for everybody to go check her out. And she's a very new crafter, and I'm so honored that she was my partner. I mean, you may not think that, but I love new crafters. I love them. I've been crafting forever. You know, and it's so nice to see new crafters, you know, like Jamie, who's Feisty Craft Room here on YouTube. She's new. Love her. So I had filmed the beginning of my opening the packaging and all that stuff, and of course my phone rings. So I'm going to do this again. Okay, this is my beautiful flip book from Michele, and it was all nicely wrapped. Oh my goodness, you know, I hate it when my husband calls me so early. Anyway, checking up on me, that's what he's doing. This is her beautiful card, and it says, Tereese, thank you for being my swap partner. I hope you like it. I really did my best. I really did do my best. But I am a new crafter, and I only started about 6 months ago. Enjoy your goodies. And then she also included her IC card to my challenge. So I'm going to do that in a separate video because I really wanted to showcase her flip book. And please, Michele, don't feel intimidated. I've been crafting for a while, so I am not by all means better than anybody out there. I may have the product, but you know, it's taken me forever. So please, please don't feel like that, okay? I love anything that anybody sends me. I never look down on anybody, okay? All right. So let's get to it. I'm so excited. Okay, so here's her flip book, and I had opened this, and it's an envelope flip book, which is awesome. I've never done one. I've been wanting to do one, but I love it. And look at this paper that she used. I love this gold and black. This looks like, you know, those dandelions that you would find in a field, and it's so, I love the color of the paper. And then she used a doily in the back with a beautiful flower and a glittered butterfly. How cute. And in the front she put this cute sticker on the front, and then she has it velcroed. And here is her flip. And each pocket has something in it, so I will definitely share. This one has a beautiful pearl bling, another sticker. Let me start doing this. Can you see that? And then this one says Life is Sweet, and she has another sticker here. And then we go on to this one. This one says Enjoy Life. Oh. And then this one says Simply Irresistible with some stickers. I love it, Michele. I love it. I love this envelope book. Oh, envelope flip book. So I'm going to go down this way and pull out, oh my gosh. Oh, wow. Look at, she had included some, is this Tim Holtz cards? Oh my gosh, this is so cool, Michele. I love Tim Holtz. So look how cool these vintage cards. Oh, thank you. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. And here's some bling. Oh, this is pearls. Wow, this is a lot too. Thank you. And then, ooh, here's some, I think this is decorative tape. Not sure. That is so, I love the metallic look. Oh my goodness. She gave me more bling. Oh my gosh, you didn't have to give me all this stuff. And then this looks like metal, rhinestone metal pieces. Let me check it out. And yeah, it is metal with a bling in the center. Oh my god, that is so pretty. I love that. Thank you, Michele. Oh, oh my god. Anyway, my flip book wasn't as filled as yours. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at these tags. Thank you. I love tags. Oh, I love these. I have some of these tags. Oh, thank you, Michele. I'm going to put them back in here so I do not lose them. And then this one. Oh my gosh, she added some more goodies. Make sure that there's nothing in there. Oh, let me put these back. Oh my gosh, look at these wonderful goodies. Oh, and then she hooked me up. Oh my gosh. And then here's some paper clips. Oh, I love these butterflies. I love the colors. And they're glittered. Oh, I love that. And then here is some planner accessories. Wow. I don't have these. But my planner is so plain. I try to decorate them like everybody else, but I don't have time to decorate them. Oh, thank you so much, Michele. Oh my gosh. Girl, I love it. This is so generous of you. You did not have to do this. And I will show you the other things that... Oh, she gave me some glue dots. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What's this? Oh my gosh, look. Some bling. Oh my gosh, Michele. You did not have to do this. Oh, look at some punched out flowers. I love flowers. I'm still making them. And she gave me some glue dots. I love glue dots. Oh, cool. I love paper. I love the shaped paper clips. Oh my gosh, Michele, you should not have done this. Oh my gosh. I love it. Thank you. Make sure I get that on right. So this is her flip book, and then guys, she gave me more goodies. Crazy, crazy girl. So let's go through it. Oh my gosh, I'm spoiled. So she gave me some trim. Love it. Oh my gosh. And then she gave me some wood clips that has the days of the week. Friday. I love that. Oh, and then she gave me some paper. This is like the paper that, no, this is file folders. Aren't these file folders? Those are so cute. Oh my god, I love this. And she asked me what my favorite colors were, and oh my gosh. She gave me some stickers, dimensional stickers. Oh, how cute. It says, you rock, true love, sweet love. Be mine, cupcake. Oh my gosh, that is adorable. Oh my god, look, and it's not, I'm not done. I am not, oh, she gave me one of these, oh my gosh, I've been using these spoons. I have to show you. See, I've been using these spoons to pick up sequins and beads and stuff like that. This came from the Dollar Tree, and oh my gosh, I love that. That's such a good idea. I don't know where you got this. That is so cool. She gave me some sequins. I love it. And then she gave me, oh, I love list pads. Love them. I use them all the time. And I always misplace them. So, you know, they're all over the house. Because I can't seem to find them. Then she got me some sticky notes. Oh my gosh, this is pretty. I haven't been to Target in a while. I've been trying to stay away from there. But thank you so much. Oh my gosh, look at this. She gave me some bling. This is, I mean, this is adhesive. Oh my gosh, there's adhesive in the back? Oh my god, that is so cool. I never realized they were adhesive. I never really looked at them that much. Thank you so much, Michele. I love everything. Thank you for being my partner. If you want to do another swap, I will do one in a heartbeat with you. Please don't feel intimidated. I love doing it, and we are all different crafters. I don't care what people say. So thanks everybody. I love my Flipbook, Michele. And thanks everybody for stopping by today. Have a great Monday, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.